Motorola's smartphones have always stood out from the rest, mainly because of the near-stock Android experience and relatively good pricing. The Moto G72, which launched last year, was a good phone, and now Motorola has launched its successor, the Moto G73 5G. Hey everyone, welcome to Gadgets 360, and here's our first look at the newly launched Moto G73 5G. So let's get started. The Moto G73 5G comes in a classic blue retail box with the company branding and model number printed on the front. Inside, we are greeted by the smartphone itself with a transparent TPU case pre-applied to it. After this, we get the user manual and other documentation, a 30-watt turbo power charging adapter with USB Type-C input, and a USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable. The smartphone is available in two colors, midnight blue and lucent white, and just one configuration with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It is priced at Rs 18,999 in India. The back panel of the Moto G73 5G is made of a matte finished acrylic material with a dual rear camera module which has a glossy finish and the Motorola logo in the center. The smartphone has matte finished side rails, the volume buttons, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor that also acts as the power key is on the right side. And the SIM slot is on the left. The USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill, microphone, and the 3.5mm headphone jack are all located at the bottom of this smartphone. The Moto G73 5G sports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This is the first smartphone in India to use MediaTek Dimensity 930 SoC, according to Motorola. The Moto G73 5G is IP52 rated for dust and water resistance. The smartphone is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, which means it can be used for macro photography too. The phone uses a 16-megapixel camera in the front. The Moto G73 5G sports a 5000 mAh battery and supports 30-watt fast charging. With the G73 5G, Motorola has introduced the Moto Secure app, which organizes all the security features in one place. This includes features such as Secure Folder to help hide certain folders or even disguise them, network protection, lock screen security, and lots more. The G73 5G also includes Moto Spaces, which is a software service that allows a user to control another Motorola phone for remote assistance or manage a child's device by setting time limits and only allowing access to age-appropriate apps. The Moto G73 5G runs on Android 13, and Motorola claims it will get the Android 14 update and 3 years of security updates. That's it for this video. Do let us know what you think about the Moto G73 5G in the comments. See you guys in the next one. Until then, keep following Gadgets 360 for all things tech.